Well, this next story is pretty cool, so I had to talk to Joel about it. You're from Michigan.
Yep, that's right.
So the question is, you're no stranger to snow. Have you ever eaten snow?
I actually have.
You have?
Yes.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like frozen water.
Okay, that's good to know.
And there's like a specific texture to it. So
is it a good texture?
it's a texture.
Snow cone texture? Anyways,
Yeah.
I honestly can't remember if I tasted snow as a kid or not. But now those 21 and up can try beer made from real snow. It's called Blizzard Brew, and it's a collaboration between Bud Light and the Buffalo Bills. They say it's made with snow from Highmark Stadium to celebrate the great lengths that Bills fans will go through for one of the NFL's greatest traditions. The season is the last for the Bills at the original Highmark Stadium, though. So now they can have a piece of it, I guess, or a taste of it.
There you go. And that's a clever name, too. Blizzard Brew.
That's cute.
That's perfect.
Nothing like that here, just windy.
Just a little windy for today. Yeah, we got temperatures well above freezing, so no snow for today. 66 degrees for today, 64 for tomorrow. Then we make a run for the 70s on Friday. Then our next chance of rain slated to arrive on Sunday.
All right. Thank you, Joel. Thank you. Catch CBS 19 News coming up at 5 on CBS 19 Plus, where we're live, local, and always on. And we'll see you here tomorrow. Hope you have a great Wednesday.